You can tell them that wearing a seatbelt turns them into a safety superhero. Just like how superheroes wear special gear to protect themselves, the seatbelt is their special gear to keep them safe while traveling in a car. Seatbelt hug. Wearing the seatbelt is like a friendly hug from the car. It keeps them snug and secure in their seat, just like a cozy hug from a friend or family member. Magic car strap. Call the seatbelt a magic car strap. When they buckle it up, they activate the magic that keeps them safe while the car moves. Just like how a seatbelt keeps them from falling off a magic flying carpet, it keeps them safe in a moving car. Pretend play. Use their imagination and pretend that the seatbelt is a seatbelt monster. If they don't buckle up, the monster